Infection control training is important not only to protect the residents, but to protect our staff. I actually logged on to the Realize platform myself and completed all the modules to see what the best rollout method would be, and I felt that them doing it at their own pace was the best method. So in the paychecks, I put out a letter with the link and described the program, how to log on, and then set a due date. So the staff had about 2 months to complete it at their own pace, and then we offered some incentives. Everyone that completed it by April 1st got entered into a raffle, and then we raffled off some gift cards for the staff. The biggest feedback was how sure and easy the videos were to understand. They didn't have any trouble completing it. Especially in the assisted living setting prior to COVID, the staff didn't have much experience dealing with infection control as far as people being on precautions. So it's definitely a good learning method.
Together, we are Project Firstline New York.